we are recording for the rest of the day until my GoPro dies, which is probably going to be in like 8 minutes. But I'm just gonna go home too, so that don't really matter none. Yep, just slammed back a Red Bull. Practically shotgunned it. Now I feel alive and awake. As one should. As one do. Yeah, I gotta get home and do some stuff. I got some things I gotta do. Sir. Dude, I forgot I got half a sandwich at home. That will be clutch. That will be very clutch. I will go home and I will eat that sandwich. Little turkey, little ham, little lettuce, little ranch, little onion, little Chipotle Southwest sauce, little spicy mayo, if you will. Whoop. Hey there, Grandpa. Riding a skateboarding helmet and such. I do want to be in the right lane, but this damn bus. We just want to go down Main Street in Middletown, you know, as one do. Passing on through. Moving on up. Boom, ba-dum, bum. Damn, that boss really just put on his left turn signal. Baller. Do you think, Holmes? We're gonna put our right turn signal on. We're gonna go on here. That looks like something I don't want to slip on. I got like a 5-pound bag of coffee. Liza D's bail bonds. Very nice. If this guy turns right, I'm gonna be so sad. Nice. I gotta go down to New Haven. Maybe I should do that tomorrow for my morning commute. My morning vlog commute. I'm gonna try and be riding more in the mornings, especially with how hot it is. You know, I get up at like 6. Even on the days I don't work, you could still get a pretty sizable ride in, you know. Ain't no thing. I'll tell you what, man, damn, it is hot as balls. I gotta do a RACER helmet. I think this will be a review, not just like I typically like. This was a walk around, not a review yet. Dude, fuck this fucking tank. I love it. It's a problem I've created all on my own. But mine own problem. How about a quick Donut Tuesday, actually? Let's maybe run in and see if we can grab ourselves some Neil's Donuts. Yep, bye world. Getting donuts.